Hi. Happy anniversary, Blessed Hope. Sayang, wala kami dyan. Anyway, ako next year, makikita-kita tayo. But I'm happy na nakabati kami sa inyo and I hope you will have a very, very wonderful year to come dyan sa Blessed Hope. Makabait kayo lahat. God bless you. Ito si Jemima.
Happy anniversary, Blessed Hope. May miss namin yung anniversary celebration, pero you're always in our prayers. I pray na magpatuloy rin lahat to deserve the God. And patuloy kami pag-pray dito. Enjoy the celebration. God bless.
Documentary.
And take care. Happy birthday, Pastor. And magkita-kita tayo next year, hopefully.
Kaya kaming dalawa dito sa Morocco, bumabati sa inyo lahat dyan sa Blessed Hope ng Happy Anniversary, tsaka Happy Birthday, Dad! Bye-bye!